Not only does henna dye hair, it improves hair health. Henna naturally bonds with the hair for thicker, fuller, and a boost of volume. Using henna strengthens hair and gives it additional elasticity. Henna gives hair shine so it looks and feels healthy. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima and I'm back with another interesting video. Today I'll be making henna hair mask. To begin, I will start by measuring out my ingredients. First is coconut milk. Pour a cup of coconut milk in a bowl. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey into the bowl. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of castor oil in the bowl. Stir to combine and set aside. Next, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of henna powder into a separate bowl and add warm water sparingly into the bowl. As you add, you stir until you get your desired paste. Once you are happy with your paste, get a foil or a plastic bag or a plastic film to cover the plate like I'm doing right now. This process is to help the henna infuse even more. Allow this to sit for 15 to 30 minutes. After 15 to 30 minutes, take out the foil or any cover you may be using. So I will start mixing by adding in my coconut milk mix sparingly. I don't want the paste to be runny. I like mine in between, not runny and not super thick. Yeah, just in between consistency, if that makes sense. Just keep on adding the milk until you get your desired consistency. So moving on to the application, I will be using this paste to saturate my entire hair. As you all know, I love to work in sections each time I'm doing anything to my hair. So I'm going to stop talking for a while and allow you to watch this process in peace. As you can see, I emptied the bowl as usual. I will go ahead and cover up my hair to trap some heat and wait for an hour before rinsing them all out of my hair. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in my next video. Bye guys.